how to join private group on Telegram without link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First, what you have to do is open your Telegram app. Make sure that you're logged in. Now, you can either have an invitation from someone in the group or search for the group directly. To search for the group, just tap in a name that you're looking for. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. So I'll click on the first group. Once you find the group, you'll see an option to join. But remember, for private groups, you need an invitation from an existing member or the group admin. Without that, you won't be able to join. But if you want to join a public group, you can just tap on the join option and you have joined the channel. And that's it. You've learned how to join a private group on Telegram without a link. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.